Hello and welcome to Northeast Karbi Life, the mirror of society. I am Brittany Karbi and today we have a very special guest and she is the winner of Northeast Talent Fashion Star Icon 2023 in the category of teens. So can you please give me an introduction?
Hi, my name is Klarjir Teronpi and I'm currently studying class 7 at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Difu. I'm from a very beautiful place where the Karbi Youth Festival is celebrated every year, Terlangso. And my hobbies are doing karate and modeling. And my father name is Anji Teron and my mother name is Rupali Diori. And thank you.
Okay. So Klarjir, since you have won this title, so how do you feel after winning the title?
I feel so glad that I won the category of Teens Fashion Star Icon, and there were also many contestants from other places, and I'm lucky that I won the title. Thank you.
So since you're so young, right? Can you tell me how old are you?
I'm 13 years of age.
So you're only 13 years old, right? How many pageants have you done before?
Miss Karbi Anglong. I was also the winner of Miss Kids Karbi Anglong 2021 and Miss Northeast Kids Northeast.
Okay, so Klarjir, since you have won so many titles, how do you manage your time between your studies and pageantry?
So there's no time. I have to go the tuition and I have taken the karate class also. So I have to manage two time. Okay.
Since you're so young, but still you have been doing all this extracurriculum, right? So you have been doing karate, and then you have been doing pageantry plus your studies too. So can you tell me who is your idol? Who supported you to do pageantry?
So my idol is Harnas Kaur Sandhu, and my family and my parents supported me.
Okay, so can you tell me why do you like Harnas Kaur Sandhu?
Because she is very smart, right? And she's very beautiful too.
Okay, so that's why you like Harnas Kaur Sandhu. So Klarjir, can you tell me why did you join pageantry?
I have joined pageantry because I want to make proud of my parents and proud for Karbi Anglong, and I want to make famous for our cultural, traditional. Thank you.
So Klarjir, can you tell me who would you like to thank after winning this title?
First of all, I would like to thank my parents and families and friends, and I also want to thank people of Karbi Anglong, and in upcoming future, I would like to represent myself in national and international, and to.
So Klarjir, can you tell me what is your aim in life?
So my aim in life is to take karate as well as fashion in a very high level.
So Klarjir, this will be my last question. So can you tell me, as I have seen in the advertisement, the DH Creative Talent Hunt Society have mentioned that they will give a chance to the winners at the ZTV serial, right? So did you sign the contract already?
No, I didn't sign the...
You didn't sign the contract? Okay. Have they mentioned that they'll be giving you the contract?
Yeah, they told us.
Okay, they told you. So, like, if you get the chance to sign the contract, will you be doing acting at the ZTV serial?
Yeah, I'm so excited at first that if I will become the winner, that I will get the opportunity to act in the GTV, right?
Okay, so that's why you have participated in this pageant, right? Okay. Thank you, Klarjir. Once again, congratulations, and thank you for coming today. I hope you represent our culture, our society, and our Karbi Anglong in national and international level. I hope you do good in your future. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching an eKarbi Life.